2020 to 2024 Toyota Tacoma front USB port replacement. What's up, guys? First, you want to move your shifter back, whether it's manual or automatic. Move it back safely so you can have room to work. You don't have to do this, but I do this. And then there's my USB port right there. I'm going to be replacing that. First thing is you want to be very careful because you're working with your dash. Now, you could use a flathead like this, like a little mini one, or a butter knife or something. Basically, we're going to be going in the bottom and the top to get this out, but I would recommend using a plastic pry bar, a little plastic interior tool, so you prevent damaging your little dashboard piece right there. I'll link this below. You don't have to use this, but let me show you what happens sometimes if you use like a screwdriver or something. You can kind of gouge up the bottom there. Now, no one's going to really see that, but just want to let you know the plastic pry bar will help reduce that type of damage. We're going to go on the bottom of it, and on the top of it, we're going to kind of push down and push out on this guy. It'll pop out a little bit. Once it comes out a little bit, what I do is I just grab it with my hands and wiggle it and pull it straight forward. There's a wire harness connected to it. It doesn't give you too much slack, but it gives you enough to where you could reach with your second hand and push that little thumb tab down right here on the top, and then pull this connector backwards. Do not pull it by the wires, pull it by the connector. They could be stubborn sometimes. You could use like a little flathead to help push the button down if you need to, but push the button down and pull it out. And don't let this fall back in the dash because it doesn't give you much slack, and it wants to go back into the dash, so be careful. Now, at the moment of this video, this is only sold on a Toyota parts website or at a dealership. However, soon enough, it'll be available on Amazon and wherever, and they're also going to have aftermarket ones for a better price, so check below for links. Got my new one here, and what I'm going to do is just plug it in. This is plug and play, no programming necessary. Just plug it in, it'll kind of snap and click into place, and then we're just going to push this guy straight back in. Carefully, just wiggle it and push it back in, and it locks in place, and that's it, guys. You're good to go.
Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around.
I got a 15% off promo code for AUXITO.com. They got a handful of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket LED headlights. They've been out a few years now, and at first the lights they had were 200% brighter than regular headlight bulbs. Now they've upgraded the tech this year, and now it's 600% brighter. So if you're in the boonies, the suburbs, the city, I highly recommend you upgrade your bulbs. Nothing wrong with having an old car, but you should get with the times and have bright headlights like everyone else. These bulbs are available on Amazon. However, if you go to the AUXITO website, that's where I could give you a promo code for 15% off. All you got to do is go to the website, type in your year, make, and model. There's basically products for every car out there, and what kind of light you want. They have all kinds of different lights for interior, exterior, headlights. And then you just browse to what you need and you get it, and then at checkout you're going to type in GearmoAuto and then hit apply in the coupon code spot, and it'll take 15% off.